are going to learn strategy design pattern in Angular. So suppose we want to implement a file upload functionality in our project. So you can see here I have already implemented this functionality. We can choose the file, you can select it, and you can see the file processing is in logged in console. Now the requirement changes, and new requirement says that we should add a toggle here, and based on the toggle we need to implement we need to process the files. So you can see this is the toggle, and now if I choose the file, then it should be done based on processing, and if it is unchecked, then in that case the file should be processed normally. So you can see here we have introduced a flag, and based on this flag we will choose two functions. One is compressed, another is non-compressed. So this is violating the open close principle of solid, where a class should be closed for modification and open for extension. So let's improve our code using the strategy design pattern. So I already implemented the strategy here. You can see we will create a strategy abstract class, and we will create two concrete classes which are going to extend strategy, and we are going to create a map where we will get the type, and in the component, let me comment it and open it here. Right, we will add a reference to the strategy. We'll inject an injector into the constructor, and for the very first time we will get the default strategy, which is compressed images from the map, and then injector we will get the strategy. And in the upload file you can see we'll get the file array, and then we will call the strategy dot process files. And in the toggle handler we can see that based on the toggle selection we are going to get the strategy and set the strategy in our component. So let's test it. Let me clear the console, let me choose the file. You can see since the switch is on we are processing with the compression. So let's switch off and then choose another file. We can see now we are doing without compression. So here we can see that we are changing the behavior at runtime, and this is what uh, strategic design pattern is. Also I have provided this link uh, of the stack bliss in the video. You can have a reference. Thanks.